Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to change margins in Google Docs step by step. Margins control how your text sits on the page and are important for printing, formatting, and professional documents. This full guide for 2026 will walk you through every method. First, go to docs.google.com and open the document where you want to change margins. Scroll through the document so you understand how the current margins look. The most accurate way is using Page Setup. Click File, then Page Setup, and adjust the top, bottom, left, and right margins by typing exact values. After adjusting margins, choose whether to apply them to the whole document or selected sections, then click Apply. You can also adjust margins visually using the ruler at the top of the document. If the ruler isn't visible, go to View and turn on Show Ruler. Drag the markers to change left and right margins. For top and bottom margins, Page Setup works best. Open File, then Page Setup, and adjust the values as needed. If text looks misaligned, check paragraph indentation and line spacing. Go to Format, then Align and Indent, and adjust indentation settings. Before printing or exporting, preview your document. Click File, then Print, to see how margins look on paper. If you want to reset margins, go back to Page Setup and use default values. Default margins work well for most documents. And that's how to change margins in Google Docs step by step in 2026. If this guide helped you, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.